Hello everyone, we're here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 8C Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has an okay amount of space for everyone.
This particular room has the extra Murphy bed that is that fifth sleeper, so you can have 5 in this particular room. We love these family staterooms, but we usually prefer the one that has the veranda with it.
Let's go check it out.
As we first come into the room, over here on our left-hand side, we have a closet. It's actually 3 different sections. The first one has a closet rod for hanging. You also have, of course, a few Disney Cruise Line robes in there. We've got some life jackets up top and then storage space down below for your luggage. And then the middle section has these little shelves that have some space for storage there. There's also a bag for sending out for laundry service if you'd like, and your in-room safe is there. And the third section of the closet, additional hanging space here, more space down below for your luggage, and there's also a little bit of storage on the shelf up top. There is also a ladder in here that is for the pull-down upper berth that we'll see in just a minute in the room. We have a split bathroom layout in this room. So in the first section of the bathroom here, we have our toilet and a single vanity. There's a little bit of counter space there, not a ton, but there is some storage down below. You'll also see that orange light down there. That is a night light that they've built in on its own switch here in the bathroom. A great little addition on the Wish. There's a few shelves over here on this wall and then a couple on the far wall as well to give you a little more storage space. And then you have that lighted mirror in here. The other half of the bathroom is where you're going to find your shower and tub combo. There is a full-length mirror here on the back of this door. And then the shower and tub combo, you can see we have that glass door instead of a shower curtain. The door does open in or out, whichever way you want to go with it. There's a couple shelves in here, of course, the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And the detachable shower head is the only shower head we have in this bathroom. There's a vanity in here as well. It's a single vanity, just a little bit of counter space, probably a little more than the other bathroom. A little storage down below as well, and then you have a couple shelves on this side where you have some washcloths, and you also have your lotion and a little makeup cloth there. As we check out the rest of the room, you'll see the main bed in here is a queen size bed. It is raised up off the ground, so you have space for storage underneath for your luggage. And we do have a bed runner down here with the Disney Wish logo on it, as well as the Disney Cruise Line logo. And at the foot of the bed is where you're going to find the TV in this room. This is mounted flat on the wall and does not pivot, so if you're on the other half of the room, not exactly the ideal location for watching TV. It's really made to be watched from the bed here. We also do have a connecting door in this particular stateroom right here next to the TV. So if you need to have connecting staterooms, you've got that option in a lot of the different rooms. Over beside the bed, you can see we have a nightstand, little drawer there. There's a couple outlets above it that are USB and also a 220 volt outlet. And then you have a little reading lamp and a regular lamp that has a little Mickey head on it. We've got a few little Mickey heads on our pillowcases as well, right there in the corners of the embroidery. And then above the bed, we have our artwork, and we're really happy with this Frozen scene here. It's very pretty. If you catch it in the light, you can see the ice castle in the distance glistening and all the snowflakes glistening as they fall. Really pretty scene out of Frozen there. And they do have a single light that's shining on that to kind of make that reflective paint shine, and you can turn that on and off individually, which is really nice. On the other side of the bed, we've got the same setup with a little nightstand and our lights, but we also have a USB-C outlet over here and regular outlets instead of the 220. So a little bit of a different setup on this side. We've got a curtain there that divides the room in half if you'd like to portion that off. It does a really good job blocking out light over on this half of the room. On the other half of the room, you can see we have our sofa. This does fold down into a twin size bed. And then above the sofa, you have the pull down upper berth, which is what that ladder was for. Of course, your stateroom host will take care of pulling that down and getting that ready for you, along with the sofa bed and the Murphy bed over here in the corner if you need that fifth bed, or if you'd rather use the Murphy and the couch instead of using the top bunk, they will pull that down and get that ready for you each evening. We've got some artwork over here where we have Anna and Elsa ice skating on a frozen lake. It's a fun piece there. And then across from the couch and the bed here, we have our dresser area and our desk. You can see there's some shelves on the wall next to that lighted mirror. We also have our in-room phone right over here on this side of the mirror. There's a little trash can down below and a little stool if you'd like to sit in front of that makeup mirror. This drawer opens up to show your paperwork. If you need note paper or you want postcards or you want to order room service, that's all inside of that drawer. And then in the small drawer next to it is where you're going to find your hair dryer in the room. Now that's a 220 plug on that hair dryer, and it does plug up right here next to the mirror, that bottom 220 outlet where there's a couple USB outlets as well. There's also a few wall outlets, a couple USBs, and a USB-C up above that 220 outlet. And then the drawers on this side, you do have a mini fridge in the larger drawer down here. Looks like a drawer, but it's actually a fridge. Unique thing here on the Wish. Over here we have a drawing of Olaf, and he is one of my favorite characters, so I'm glad to see him involved in the room here. And then of course we have our main feature of this room. It is our ocean view porthole. It is a very, very large window here in this room. There is no padded seat for you to sit inside of the porthole, but I think that's probably not going to stop us while we're staying here. We've got a beautiful view up here on deck 7. So even though we don't have a veranda, we're very happy with the porthole that we have in this room. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 8C Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out our channel for tons of other room tours. We've got almost every category here on the Disney Wish, other Disney cruise ships, and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.